Good morning and welcome to my channel. So this channel is going to be a little different than your typical 4Runner Overland 4x4 channel. Reason being is this is all new to me, and while I do have a background for working on cars my whole life, doing auto body paint and quarter-mile drag racing and building cars for speed, doing projects with 4x4, Overland, camping, things of that nature, all brand new to me. So this is the vehicle I just got right here. Picked it up 2 days ago. It is a 2017 4Runner, and it is SR5 version. It has 47,000 miles on it, and this is going to be my project vehicle for the next few years. My goal here is to build this truck up to do some light off-roading, some overland adventures, camping, and this is also going to be my daily driver for my business. So as you can see, it's relatively factory. I do have a few added items when I bought the car, which I'm kind of happy about. It looks to be the tires were upgraded to all-terrain. They are Goodyear Wrangler 275 7017. Let me just double check to make sure here. 265 7017, which I believe is the factory size. It also came with a Rhino rack, which is about a $1,200 roof rack. Happy about that, is that it came with the vehicle. And I think a little hood deflector and tinted windows. So these are the items that came with the car, but I have a lot of plans that I'm going to be doing with the car. There's going to be some little modifications and then some more heavy-duty modifications. So just to give you a brief rundown, rock sliders are going to be going on the vehicle. I'm still choosing between the manufacturer. I do want something with a functional side step, so this is all going to be learning for me. If you have any recommendations, put them in the comments below, and I'll definitely check them out. So first order, parts that came in. I've already started ordering parts for this vehicle before I purchased it. So first items are here, and what I have here is the Stay There hitch receiver with the tow strap or the recovery strap, and I also have the AUTOBOTS D-rings to go on the front. So I wanted a little pop of color, also with some functionality. So this might come in handy when we do a little bit of off-roading or camping. So I'll do a little unboxing here of what this came with. Let's pull this out. So hitch receiver with the shackle, and then the pin, obviously, and then it comes with the two washers which go in. I'll put those in, and I think that'll reduce some of the play and then some clanging around when you're driving. So, and then the other one is, let's see, this is the Stay There. Now I got these off, oops, hold on, off Amazon, and they were rated pretty highly, so I'm gonna check them out, see how we like them. And then this one, let's see, do a quick zip open here. Alright, this one came with the two shackles, D-rings, and toe strap. As you can see, everything is green and black, and there's a reason for that. I was considering red, but decided on green and black because that happens to be my favorite color. And I'll show you my other vehicle, give you an idea. So this is my weekend car, and as you can see, green and black. So I had to go with that, and that's my dog Shadow. So anyway, we're going to install these parts right here, and take a look kind of before here and after to see how the color looks here. I do have a lot of parts coming in, I think this week as well, and then I'm going to order some parts this week. So let's get these on. All right, so this will be relatively straightforward, I guess. I have the two rubber washers here, so let's put those in between the shackle and the hitch receiver. Kind of sandwich them in there. Let's see. Shackle back over, and then we'll put the pin, or the bolt I should say, back in here. Make sure you center the rubber washers or they will push through. Have a little bit of an issue here with the rubber washer being off center. So, alright, got that handled. And yeah, it's definitely a little bit quieter. It's not metal on metal, got a little rubber cushion there. So just insert that, put the pin in here, and then the clip to hold it in. We'll put it right up to there, so it locks in. Lock the pin in here, so that's how it looks from the back. And then let's go ahead and get over. We'll start to install on these D-rings on the front here. So here are the rings that I'm going to install. These come with the rubber washers already in the bolt there, so I'll put them in the factory locations here. Take the bolt out. It's all pretty straightforward. There's one. I might like to do, and I mean need your help. Alright. So pretty straightforward. Gives it a little pop of color underneath, which I like. What I did notice under here, and maybe you guys can comment in the section below, it looks like it has a factory skid plate with a vent there. Appears to be pretty functional. It goes all the way underneath, and then it looks like there's a plate over the gas tank down there as well. But I'm assuming this is factory. If you know, please let me know. But I'm wondering if there are any aftermarket versions made for this vehicle that you guys recommend. Something maybe made painted or powder coated. I'm not crazy about the black appearance under there. Obviously have to be functional, but I don't want to tag anything that says TRD because it's not a TRD vehicle. So anything that's logoed with the company or even without logo is fine, but something that would add a little pop there. So that's it, guys. That's all I have today. Like I said, more parts coming in soon, and then we'll install them and kind of see how it looks there. So one more time, the two front rings installed in the factory location. Swing around back here, and we have the receiver hitch with the the recovery ring and strap. One thing I wanted to show you too is, so I got this vehicle because I needed to have 7 seats for a larger family traveling, and we're going to be doing some cargo liners in here. I have chosen the brand I'm going to do, and they're being made now, so we'll do the install on those soon. And I think I have some other interior parts coming as well, but let's leave it here, and then we'll do another video shortly on the next install. Say goodbye, Shadow. Hey guys, I forgot to mention that the 2 items that I installed today, I got off Amazon. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already, but the receiver hitch in the back was $50, and then that also came with the recovery strap, and then the 2 rings installed in the front, those are $38. So I got those off Amazon. I will put the links in the description below. Okay, please hit the like button and subscribe. Follow me on my journey here with this 4Runner, and see how we progress. Thanks.